It's not quite pitch black out here. It's only about 9 o'clock at night. All right, got the 8-pack of the LETMY solar pathway lights. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's open this up and see what we got. A little 4 and 4 setup in here. So there's 4 lights on the top, 4 on the bottom. I pulled 4 of these lights out of here. I'm not gonna pull all 8 out, but I just want to show you what you get with these. So you get 8 of these solar lights. These are made of plastic. Lights are equipped with an upgraded solar panel and 600 milliamp nickel metal hydride batteries. There we go. NIMH batteries generally hold a charger longer than nickel cadmium batteries, and these can be recharged several times over their lifespan. Let them charge up. When they're fully charged, they'll last for 8 to 12 hours. According to the literature, these are LED filament lights. They're supposed to be warmer and brighter than other solar lights. We'll have to check that out. We'll test that out for sure. Also with this, you get 16 of these posts, and these are obviously replaced on here, assembled with just the spike in the light. We got about 11 inches. Assembled with the light and one of these posts, 18 inches, and assembled with the light and 2 of these posts, 2 foot, 24 inches. That's pretty cool. You have plenty of options with these guys, and there's an on-off switch right here. It just slides left for on, right for off. So when I slide this to the left, now it's on. This thing has slots on it that line up on here, so you just put it into, it sits in the slot, lock it up, you're good to go. These are weather resistant with an IP65 weatherproof rating, which means that they can take water from all directions, but you can't submerge them in water. So don't go putting these in your pool or your pond. I have blocks that I've set in place down through my backyard and created a little pathway. So these would be great for pathway lights for that in my backyard. These are great for pathway lights in your front yard. Or I live in a townhouse. We've got a little area that cuts out that has plants and stuff in it. Another great place for solar lights there, you know. So many uses for solar lights. Patio or around your house or in your garden. It's not quite pitch black out here. It's only about 9 o'clock at night. But I wanted to show you. I put these in the ground this afternoon about, I want to say 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Let them sit out in the sun. They're working just great. You're getting a little light off of my security camera there too. But there you go. I got them all fully assembled right here on this side. So that's the 2 foot long version. There's my little Italian Greyhound next to the 11-inch version with only one section in the ground. And worked out pretty good. I want to point out you hold on to the stake when you drive it into the ground, and it helps to have a wet ground on there. But yeah, pretty happy with this. They look great. Lit up the whole pathway going through my backyard over to my fence. Looking good. So if you're looking for an affordable and easy to install set of outdoor walkway or garden lights, check out the LETMY Pathway Solar Lights.